In a small coastal village, researchers uncovered something that left them completely puzzled. The men living there, many of them well into their 80s and even 90s, showed cardiovascular health markers that most doctors would expect to see in men half their age. Their blood vessels remained flexible and responsive. Their circulation stayed strong and steady. Their energy levels and physical vitality continued long past the age when most people accept decline as inevitable. Naturally, scientists began asking questions. What made these men so different? Why were they aging in such a different way compared to men in other parts of the world? After years of observation and study, one simple habit kept appearing again and again. Every single evening, without fail, these men consumed a generous portion of extra virgin olive oil. Often it wasn't taken alone. It was mixed with specific herbs and natural compounds as part of a nightly ritual passed down through generations. This wasn't random, it wasn't luck, and it certainly wasn't just the olive oil alone. It was the combination of olive oil with specific bioactive compounds that created a powerful synergistic effect, especially when consumed before sleep. Modern science has now started to understand how this works, how these compounds interact at a molecular level, and why taking them at night can make such a meaningful difference. I'm Dr. William, and today I'm going to walk you through the science behind this nightly olive oil ritual. I'll explain why olive oil is such a uniquely powerful base, and I'll reveal 4 specific ingredients that, when mixed with it before bed, may support circulation and cardiovascular function in a very meaningful way. The 4th one has a mechanism that most people have never even heard of. Extra virgin olive oil is not just a cooking fat, it is one of the most pharmacologically complex foods in the human diet. It contains over 30 different polyphenolic compounds, each with its own biological activity. Among the most important are hydroxytyrosol, oleuropein, and oleocanthal. Hydroxytyrosol is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants ever studied. It helps protect blood vessels from oxidative damage, which is one of the main reasons circulation declines with age. When consumed, this compound enters the bloodstream and helps defend the delicate lining of blood vessels, especially during sleep when the body is actively repairing itself. Oleuropein plays a different but equally important role. It supports the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that allows blood vessels to relax and expand. This process, known as vasodilation, is essential for healthy blood flow. When nitric oxide levels are higher, circulation improves and the cardiovascular system functions more efficiently. Oleocanthal adds another layer of protection. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce chronic inflammation that damages blood vessels over time. By lowering inflammation, it helps maintain the integrity of the vascular system and supports long-term cardiovascular health. Olive oil is also rich in oleic acid, a healthy fat that not only supports heart health but also acts as a carrier for other beneficial compounds. Many nutrients are fat-soluble, meaning they require fat for proper absorption. Olive oil enhances the absorption of these compounds, making it an effective natural delivery system. Now, timing is important. During sleep, the body enters its most intensive repair phase. Blood pressure naturally drops, the nervous system shifts into recovery mode, and blood vessels undergo regeneration. Taking these compounds before bed ensures they are available in the system exactly when the body is doing its deepest repair work. Now let's talk about what to mix into olive oil. The first ingredient is raw cacao powder. Raw cacao contains epicatechin, a compound that supports nitric oxide production. This works alongside olive oil through different pathways, creating a stronger overall effect. Epicatechin also helps improve how effectively blood vessels respond to nitric oxide, supporting better circulation. To use it, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw cacao powder into 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It creates a thick, rich mixture with a natural chocolate-like flavor. The second ingredient is turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful natural anti-inflammatory compound. It works by reducing inflammatory signals in the body, particularly in blood vessels. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed on its own. Black pepper contains piperine, which significantly enhances its absorption. When combined with olive oil, this mixture allows curcumin to be more effectively delivered into the bloodstream, supporting reduced inflammation overnight and improved vascular function over time. The third ingredient is ashwagandha root powder. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen that helps the body manage stress more effectively. One of its key effects is lowering cortisol, the primary stress hormone. High cortisol levels at night can interfere with the body's ability to repair itself, keeping blood vessels slightly constricted and reducing sleep quality. Ashwagandha helps promote a more relaxed physiological state, supporting deeper rest and recovery. Add about a quarter to half a teaspoon to the mixture. The fourth ingredient is pomegranate seed oil. This is different from pomegranate juice. The oil extracted from the seeds contains a rare fatty acid called punicic acid, which may support inflammation balance and metabolic health. It also helps protect against oxidative stress and supports pathways involved in lipid metabolism. When combined with olive oil, it creates a broader fatty acid profile that supports blood vessel structure and function. Add about half a teaspoon of cold-pressed pomegranate seed oil to the mixture. When all these ingredients are combined, multiple systems are supported at once: nitric oxide production, inflammation balance, antioxidant protection, stress reduction, and overnight repair processes. To prepare the full mixture, combine 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil with 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a quarter to half teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, and about half a teaspoon of pomegranate seed oil. Mix thoroughly until it forms a smooth paste. Consume this mixture about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. The key is consistency. The benefits don't come from occasional use, but build gradually over time as the body goes through repeated cycles of repair and recovery. Night after night, this simple ritual may support better circulation, improved vascular function, and a stronger sense of morning energy and vitality.